In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to open Google folder and look for Files app. Once you do, click on it. And if you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Then Allow in the second one. And finally, click Downloads under Categories. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. To open one, click on it on the left. And to manage one, click on those three dots on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!